Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can import data from a PDF file into Microsoft Excel, and I've got a great example to show you. So here's our PDF where we've got a list of the total areas of the world's countries. It's an 8-page document and it's got a table with 4 columns, the first being the country's name, the second is the total area in square miles of the country, the third is the area in kilometers, and the fourth is the total area rank. And this is split across all 8 pages. So if we want to import this into Microsoft Excel, what we will do is we will open up a blank Excel document, and we want to go to the top ribbon and go to the data section. Then on the left hand side we will want to click Get Data, then choose From File, and then click From PDF. Now we want to find where the PDF is stored in your File Explorer, so I've got it here. So I'll double click. It'll then open up the navigator where we can see all the data that it's loaded in from the PDF. So if we click on the different tables and pages to see what we want to load into Excel, so we can see the first table has the column headings in, and then every other table after that has the data that we want but on alternating tables. So you have to do a bit of investigating to see what data you need to bring through. But in this case, we want to bring through multiple tables into Excel. So what we'll do is we'll tick this box to select multiple items. We will choose the first table, the second, which has the data in, and then every alternate table here, which I will do now. And once we've got all of those selected, you can load them in and it will load them straight into Excel, but we will want to first edit these in Power Query, so we'll click Transform Data. And this is where we can edit the data to then load it into Microsoft Excel. So in this case, in this example, what we want to do here is we want to append all of these tables into one query. So what we'll go and do is we will go to the Home section and Append Queries. And we want to append all of the tables, so we'll choose 3 or more tables and select all of the tables other than the current one, and click Add, and click OK. So now it's got all of the data into one query here. And what we'll do is we will promote these, this top row, so use first row as headers. And now we've got the names of the columns. So I'll just change these as well, just add in the column headings to get their full names. So I've got the column heading sorted. We will then go to remove rows and just remove the top row. So now we've just got the data from the PDF, and it's included all of the data from all of the 8 pages now. So you may want to do some further things like cleaning the text, trimming it, and we want to convert these into numbers so we can use them in Excel. And that's basically it. So once you've cleaned the data and you're happy with it in Power Query, click Close and Load, and then it will load it into your Excel file. So you can delete the other tables, but if we go to the one that we've just been editing, you can see in here we've got all of the data from our PDF file. And if I can rank these in order, for example, but yeah, we've got all of the data here from our PDF, which is great. Now we can use it in Excel. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you found it useful. And there's a great example you can use for your own work. So thanks for watching.